there, folks. And the doors have unlocked themselves. Okay, that's a fail. Hello there, everyone, and welcome to the day where we always have the need for speed here on Speedy Sundays. And we're going to kick it off with 172-006 and 172-102 here at Widney Manor. Working the 1108 West Midlands Railway service from Dorwich through to Worcester Forgate Street. Arriving next into the station will be the 1112 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Forgate Street through to Stratford upon Avon. And we have 172-213 leading 172-216. First fast train of the session from Chiltern Railways, 1 Golf 19 from London Marylebone to Birmingham Snow Hill. One 68215. Up next for Chiltern Railways, 2 Libre 36 from Birmingham Moor Street through to Leamington Spa, 165019. Next arriving into the station will be the 1138 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford upon Avon through to Worcester Forgate Street. We have a 172-219, I assume, with 172-333. Yes. And it's starting to rain. Ugh. Next train out will be 172-339 and 172-007 with the 1142 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Forgate Street through to Dorwich. Now there's 15 minutes to the next train. I am cold and it is raining. I think we might get the silvers passing each other here. There's 1R21. They are passing each other. 1R21 68012 is stock AL01 and 1H41 68014 pushing AL02. Next up for cross country, 1 Echo 36 from Reading through to Newcastle. Hello again, Pridey. Yikes! Pooh! That'll wake you up. And here comes the final video. video. This is 172007 and 172339, and this is working the 1208 West Midlands Railway service from Dorwich through to Worcester Foregate Street, which concludes today's Speedy Sunday. Join us next week when we have the need for more speed at some random location. I don't know where. Bloody hell, I'm cold. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.